Good morning, dear friends. My name is Olivier Mubito. I am from IPRS Kigali, and we are in the design and the construction of electro-pneumatic control circuit. And topic of today is pipeline system. So imagine you have a system that you need to control using the pneumatic system or electro-pneumatic system, and in this case it is a pipeline system. So using a special device, the valve in the pipeline is to be opened and closed. The valve is opened by pressing a push button switch. When the push button is released, the valve is closed. That's the valve, and the special device is that one, which is exactly a double acting cylinder or simply a single acting cylinder. So using a pneumatic part, we're going to try to analyze the double acting cylinder, and then I'm going to increase the length, just some settings that you need to adjust. And then I change the adapter. I can put that adapter, and then I press apply, and then I close, and then it goes with the direction control valve having at least 5 ports. So we use this one. That's got 5 ports. This is port 2 that goes to cylinder. That's port 4 that goes to cylinder, and then the 3 remaining ports. The central port is the supply port, and the other 2 ports are the exhaust port. So we put the exhaust there, and then we are going to try to simulate this manually, because this directional control valve is able to be controlled electrically or manually. So we press manually, it goes, and we place, it comes back. So remember, we said by pressing a push button switch we are opening, by releasing that push button switch we are closing. So now let's go to electrical control part. We search for the required power supply. That's the power supply, and then we extend the line up to here, and then that's 0 voltage. Again, we do this, so we can extend the line up to here, and we can control this in 2 ways. Either we control this directly or indirectly, and we are going to see both. And we're going to start with directly, where we just have the supply. We put the switch. Let me call this switch S. That's S to mean that's a switch. And immediately we connect the solenoid to the switch, and put that solenoid there, and then we call it sol. Okay, and then we link the 2 here. Okay, and we are going to link this solenoid on the electrical circuit to the solenoid for the pneumatic circuit. So we have to double click, and then we link, we apply, link, and then close. So you can see now we have sol here, we have sol here. So now if we simulate, we press here, we are opening, we release, we are closing. We press it once again, we are opening, we release, we are closing. Let me show you what's happening inside the cylinder. We press here, the solenoid is energized. That causes this to change the position, and then the air comes from 1 to port 4, which forces the piston to move. By releasing, the air now goes from port 1 to port 2. That causes the piston to move back to the tracted form. So now let me control this indirectly. And when you say indirectly, it's where now we introduce like a relay, we introduce like a PLC, like a microcontroller. It means we put another agent to control the solenoid instead. So move this just downward, and then we put Sierra, it's our coil, put that coil here, and then let me call it Sierra, which means a coil of a relay, and we can just connect to that one. Let me adjust a little bit. Okay, and then it means when we'll be able to control this coil, the coil also will have to control the solenoid. So it needs a contact to control that solenoid. So we search for a contact, which is normally open a contact up to here. So we link to the solenoid, and then this time we have to link this to here. Let me simulate before we link and see what comes out. See, nothing happening because the Sierra is not able to connect this because it is not yet connected. So we have to link this Sierra to Sierra here, And this time we can be able now to control. Let me do this. See here, it goes for extension. By releasing, it comes for retraction. Do it once again, it comes for extension, and that's retraction. And I will be showing you what is happening inside the cylinder. We control, it goes for extension. We release, it comes for retraction. So maybe we open, maybe we close. So hope you have understood the way it works. And if you like the video, please you click share, you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.